Alright, let's go.
Ready?
Ready,
you
guys?
stand here, man.
Cut. Go.
Oh, man.
Not padding!
What the fuck was that? It's my back.
Sorry. I missed. I was drunk, guys.
Keep your hands down, guys. Keep your hands down.
Keep your hands up.
There's just one, eh? One hit.
Oh, yeah.
Bad.
One hit.
There's a pussy whip. Okay.
Take your time. Take your time, Mike. Concentrate.
I'm kind of short.
It's hard, eh? It's hard. You gotta get used to
You
it.
gotta practice, man.
You get it.
Take it. Concentrate, guy. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, man.
Oh.
I'm getting warmed up.
Right?
Mikey. Maybe let him reverse. Let him baliktad yan, yeah.
Yeah.
Give him an advantage. You're not doing anything to this guy, man. Give him the point.
Oh, yeah, okay, go.
That's better.
Yeah.
Like this.
Oh.
You serious?
No, it's gonna
Yeah, you can do that.
You can do it anyway.
Do it. Just do it. I'll take it.
Okay.
I know you're pussy. I know you're pussy, guy. Just call you a pussy, man. Sure.
He's gagging. We can't play this game.
He's a smaller one.
You want to switch, guys?
Give me this one on his mouth.
Okay, too many breaks, man. Let's go.
Go.
They made me drink.
Oh,
What was that?
No, I can't do it the other way.
Let's play more and I'm bored.
oh.
Okay, no more training, man. Let's go.
Get in there.
Yeah, Mike.
Maybe thing, man. Kris, I think your head is too low, guy.
Yeah. Okay. I'll lift it up. I'll lift it up. Okay, let's go.
Let's talking.
Sideways.
This thing's metal, guy.
Smack it.
He needs a smaller one.
Yeah, I need a smaller one.
Okay. Use a metal one if you want.
Metal! The metal one.
I fucking wouldn't even be able to
Oh,
fight
he's
it.
challenging you, man.
I'm challenging a metal one.
Fuck that.
Oh, hurt my knee.
That's what Wiser was using yesterday.
Should be able to do it, Mike. Chris, give him a power shot. Give him a power shot, Chris.
Here's one.
Were you hitting it with it?
But hold on to Mike. Just give me your
Come on,
mouth.
Mikey.
Soft shit.
There you go.
That's like 2 now, man. Mikey, man.
Come on, guys. Why don't you use the other side, guys? Maybe it's easier the other side.
Smacking like this guy.
The other side, guys.
Try using this end.
Yeah, use that end. No, the other side.
No, the other one.
You want to bite the other side?
Yeah, bite the other side.
Turn it around.
Yeah, maybe it's just easier. Yeah. There you go.
Monkey.
There you go.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, smack that
Get
shit.
him hard, man.
Smack that ass.
What was it? That was it? Go. Oh, yeah.
Come on, Mikey. That technique, man. I'm telling you.
Go, do it. Hit it. Oh, yeah.
Freaking Kris. Put him in his place, Mikey, man.
Smack that shit.
Come on. Come on, Mike.
Oh! There you go.
Big boy. Dead guy. Now you're dead.
Do it again. Hurt him again, Mike. Hurt him again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh!
You're getting good, guy.
Come on, give him a power shot, man. Right here.
Right now.
Go.
Oh!
I'm gonna go to the washroom.
I'm not fucking breathe. You're hesitating, guy.
Is he bleeding, guy?
No. Let's see. You have a welt yet?
Oh shit, man. You're rushing, man. You're rushing.
You want to play like that?
You're rushing, man.
Go down, guy.
He's gonna go for my ear.
Hard, Mike, hard, go. Come on, Mike.
Hard, come on. Bitch! He owns you on that one.
Pay him back, pay him back.
Come on, Mike.
This one's I'm gonna pay you back, guy, right now.
Okay.
I told you, man.
Doing good, Mike. You haven't given up yet.
Oh. Right here, Mike. You want it right here? Okay.
That was what he went.
Pick where you want Chris to hit you.
That's what he wants, guy.
Right here?
Right,
Okay, right there.
Okay.
That's a temple. That hurts.
I was like, why is he gonna That's why he's number 2.
Come on, Mike.
Get that bitch.
Again, right here.
Chris, give him a power shot, man. Power shot.
Okay, good
One of your hardest, man.
Oh,
You said that wasn't hard, man. Harder, man.
That's enough, guy. That's enough.
What? I'm good.
There's no blood.
It's like a rock. You want a tie?
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 It's a tie?
I'm doing that. Oh,
Tie?
Fuck, you're losing this
No,
time.
tie, guy.
I'm good.
Go, it's your turn.
oh shit. I'm gonna make you bleed, Mike.
He's gonna make you bleed, man.
Get the metal in there.
No, it's good now.
Yeah, it's good.
And Mike is a champ, guys.
Hey, Chris, you want to give up, Chris?
Soon.
Okay.
I think we might have a new number 2.
Holy
Oh, Mike's angry. Mike wants to win.
Holy fuck.
That's it, guy.
What?
Give up, Chris.
I give up.
Mikey, number 1. You're the number 1 contender.
You're number 2, guy. Holy shit. I'm number 3, guy.
It's sweat.